But
Yeah,
it works. The
there's
two
lots
of them, their chemistry, you said, is brilliant. But who's the more picky of the lot? You know, sometimes superstition can also be, people say, oh, this person got OCD. They want everything in the right place, everything over here. Between the two of them, who's more picky? I'm going to put those words in your mouth. Picky.
I have the OCD, but but
Really? So what is your pet peeve, so as to say? What is the one thing that everyone would say?
checking the lock, the car door. I have to change my car every few years because the door gives away. Because I've locked the car door and I'm still doing this. So you'll
Really?
see me. Yeah, you'll see. It seems like I'm electrocuted.
He's absolutely nuts, by the way. I just want everybody to know I've spent 1 year with a nutty director, which has been a lot of fun and very entertaining.
But out of both of them, they have their own quirks. But I don't think any of them has OCD per se. But they have different ways of working, very different approaches, and that's why I think the chemistry. Because Dulquer also doing the Hindi film, and I think it's a lot of hard work that goes behind his Hindi in that sing sound. Because
Are you very comfortable doing these roles, or you will always look out for roles where you can push your envelope also, like, or you're always happy opting for roles where you can?
I mean, I don't. I mean, I kind of am very. I'm not. I think I try to skip genres like with every film. So my last couple of films has been Veere the Wedding, Ek Ladki, Padman, Sanju, Neerja. Sorry, Rucha is same. हमारी film के बारे में बात करो. Sanju and all are yours only. But
That's a great lineup, by the way. Every one of them did really well. So congratulations on that.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank
people
you.
people seem to forget how much money you make at the box office for everybody. It's a
For
very big
Foxstar.
record.
I've been working with them non-stop. I love working with them, and but I think I'm lucky enough to be, for directors to think that I can do a Neerja or an Ek Ladki or a Khoobsurat and a Zoya Factor. I think I do the best in comedy. A lot of the audience thinks I do better in films like Ranjana and Neerja and stuff, but I mean, I don't know what is my genre, but I enjoy doing comedy a lot. I feel very comfortable. I feel easy, and I don't think there are many films that are being made these days, especially, which are just carefree and fun with, with content as the backdrop. That's it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
सोनम मैम योर लेफ्ट
Yes.
हाँ जी.
मेरा सवाल आपसे ये था, सबसे पहले तो ट्रेलर बहुत ही अच्छा है,
शुक्रिया.
जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है.
शुक्रिया.
जैसा फिल्म में ट्रेलर में दिखाया गया है कि आप बहुत लकी हो,
हाँ
फैमिली
जी.
के लिए भी देश के लिए भी. तो रियल लाइफ में आप कितने लकी हो? अगर लकी हो तो
हाँ
आपको नहीं लगता इस साल वर्ल्ड कप में सेमीफाइनल में आपकी सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत थी देश को?
शुक्रिया. मैं एक्चुअली आपको एक चीज बता सकती हूँ. मेरा नाम जो है सोनम, उसका मतलब लकी है. And when I was conceived, my father's actually life changed. Ram Lakhan, Tezab, etc., etc. So my parents actually think I'm very, very lucky for them. And a couple of astrologers have read my patri, and they always say that I'm lucky for the man in my life. I said, what about the men being lucky for me? So I don't know about. I believe a little bit in luck, but I believe a lot in destiny. I don't know if that's the same thing as luck. मुझे लगता है कि किस्मत का हाथ जो होता है वो सबके ज़िंदगी में होता है. हार्ड वर्क तो करना ही पड़ता है. तो तीनों चीज़ की जो है, और आपने सेमीफाइनल्स के बारे में आप बात करें तो मेरे डैड जो है वो सेमीफाइनल्स के लिए गए. ही वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड, ही फ्लू इन बिकॉज इट वाज दिस बिग सिचुएशन, एंड उन्होंने कहा कि आप मैनचेस्टर आ जाओ. मैनचेस्टर में था, एंड इट ऑब्वियसली रेन डाउन. आई से नो पापा, आई कांट कम, मेरा एक डॉक्टर का अपॉइंटमेंट है. I really can't come. He organized it for me. He said, "Beta, aa jao yaar. It'll be really lucky for the team." I didn't go.
एक और
So you're the reason then confirmed. देश के लिए आप कुर्बानी दे पाए डॉक्टर की.
अरे डॉक्टर के पास जाना था, सेहत ठीक नहीं थी यार.
अगले दिन बोलते कल I'll come. It's only one day, ना?
No, it was 2 days,
अच्छा.
guys. What are you talking about? This is one match which went on and on. But my dad did go for the match where they were sort of winning, and then he said he had to go back. So maybe my father is lucky for the Indian cricket team. God only knows.
एक और सवाल था मैम आपसे.
हाँ जी.
ट्रेलर लॉन्च से पहले एक अफवाह थी कि रांझना की जो जोया थी,
हाँ जी.
उन्होंने कुंदन के साथ बहुत अन्याय किया था, जुल्म किया था. तो उस जुल्म का क्या वजह थी, उसका फैक्ट क्या था, इस फिल्म के जरिए आप जोया फैक्टर
Oh,
के
I
रूप
can't
में आ रहे हो,
realize
तो ये
Zoya
अफवाह
and
थी।
huh? तो ये जो Zoya है, she is really a gift from the God because Zoya means a gift, and I think this time she likes the boy much more. So yeah,
Bro,
और
कड़क
मैम
सवाल यार, total कड़क सवाल.
fabulous.
Yes. हाँ बस, I'll just pass on.
एक
We'll come back to
छोटा
you.
छोटा सा
अच्छा ठीक है, ठीक है.
मैम, ये सवाल था कि आपने फैमिली के साथ काम करना, एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा,
हाँ
पापा के
जी।
साथ शुरू किया आपने,
हाँ जी।
दूसरी फिल्म चाचा के साथ आपने
जी,
शुरू किया,
जी।
उम्मीद करते हैं एक एक करके सबकी बारी आएगी, अर्जुन सर की आएगी, हर्षवर्धन सर की आएगी, तो ये
If they are lucky enough.
आनंद सर का नंबर कब आ रहा है?
आनंद आनंद जी जो आनंद जो है वो एक बिजनेसमैन है. अगर उनको जी I've called him. I don't know why I've called him G. He should be calling me Sonam G. No, I think he's happy where he is selling sneakers and clothes.
अच्छा मतलब मैंने टारगेट करके फेंका है. Just don't keep throwing it around like that. We'll pass it. There was a
Are they
reason.
really throwing the mics around?
He just did. Yeah, but it's, yeah. I don't want to smash it. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, hi. Good afternoon,
Ji, good
everyone. This is
afternoon.
Simran Singh from First Post. First of all,
Yes.
congratulations.
शुक्रिया, thank you.
ट्रेलर बहुत ही अच्छा है. मेरा सवाल आपसे, सोनम जी, are you superstitious?
Very.
First of all, very.
I mean, I don't know about superstition. I don't really think astrology is superstition. I think it's a science. I don't know if you'll agree with me or not, but I think it's a science. I think if the moon, which is so strong, can cause waves, I think stars and moon and sun, all of them have an influence on our. We're 70% water. I don't know. So I think there is an influence on that. So I believe in destiny. किस्मत में मैं बहुत believe करती हूँ. पर मुझे लगता है कि मेहनत की भी बहुत बड़ी place होती है सबकी ज़िंदगी में. So it has to be a combination of the two.
Okay. So was there any incident? मतलब ऐसा होता है कि when we are student or when we are studying, तब बहुत superstition होता है
हाँ
कि
जी.
यहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाना है. So was there any incident with you या with your parents also? मतलब जहाँ उन्होंने कहा कि यार.
मुझे नाम लेना बहुत पसंद है.
जी.
नाम को कहते हैं ओम नमः शिवाय.
Correct.
I like to take naam a lot. So before I travel, I do Om Namah Shivaya. I'm constantly doing that. And मुझे I don't know if all of you all know, but I'm very I love Varanasi, Banaras a lot. So and I love going to the Shiv temple there. So for me that is very I don't know if it's a superstition, but it's a belief and a faith. I wouldn't call it superstition. So for that I am. And I think that is some of my quirks, I think.
Okay, विजय जी, विजय सर, यहाँ मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि अभिषेक सर ने जस्ट कहा कि सोनम वाज their first choice. तो सोनम आपकी भी फर्स्ट चॉइस थी, not because she fit into the character, it's because that you have a successful collaboration with her earlier. मतलब भले प्रेम रतन या नीरजा या even the critically acclaimed.
We've had a great relationship with Sonam, so she's definitely our first choice. But I think, in fairness, it all starts with the script, and I have to give the credit to our co-producers. I mean, they are the ones who actually put the project together, and when they came to us with the actor names, I mean, we were thrilled, and we were sort of very happily on board. But yes, we've had a very, very successful run from Neerja to Prem Ratan Dhanpayo, etc. And we're really looking forward to working with Dulquer now. Pleasure.
Who said he's worked for free? So that works very well,
Is that true,
doesn't it?
Dulz?
Yeah. Right.
Samrantan.
Have you passed the mic on?
Yeah,
There was a third one in the middle I'd thrown somewhere.
Abhishek sir, this side, this side.
Sorry, one
Jyoti
sec. Ek second. We'll come to right here. Yeah.
Jyoti here from Movies Adda.
Yeah.
So can you just brief us about the topic, because as you said कि you know luck के ऊपर है film, luck कितना काम करता है, and then cricket and then a love story. So can you just brief about it, and आपको क्या चीज़ attract की इस film की तरफ that you thought of directing it?
I always say that what attracts me to a film is something which should attract the audience to the film, because then you know when as a director I'm narrating a film, somewhere subconsciously I'm working towards that topic, towards the theme of the film. So the theme of the film out here is luck versus hard work, if I just say it in a very laymanish term. Though there's a beautiful dialogue that Dulquer says in the film, which for which you should see the film. But it's luck versus hard work, and I really like that topic in our country, because I feel that there's a lot that we as Indians, and I am saying it with you know full responsibility, because even I have my family which is you know into luck and superstition or whatever you can call it. And I'm not saying superstition is religion. Let's not confuse the two. When I say superstition, it's more about rituals, that if I do this, this will happen, that kind of a thing. So there is a great degree of interest that I have in you know the psychology that goes through why a person becomes addicted to certain rituals or superstitions, and why do you feel that you have so much power that if you do that, मतलब आप अपने सोफे बैठे रहोगे तो इंडिया मैच जीत जाएगा. It's bizarre for me. Then there are millions of homes and millions of sofas, you know. So, but that really interests me because it's at the end of the day, a film is nothing but it's an interesting look at human psychology, you know. And the book is about luck versus hard work. Zoya is the epitome of the goddess of fortune, luck. And Dulkar's character Nikhil Khoda is the epitome of hard work. He is somebody who I would say is like a Gitavadi, you know, who believes in hard work. He says that just work hard and your actions will reap whatever. So that is a very interesting conflict, and that too in a romantic comedy. So when you see a rom-com where the conflict is not Jat Paat, Dharm, or Garibi Amiri, it's the superstition, it's the philosophy of life. The two of them have different way of looking at life itself. That is something which really attracted me. That is the theme of the film, and that I think is a very interesting space. So, despite being a rom-com, it's a high-concept film, which has superstition, which has cricket also to a good degree. And I think it's as a film, when you see it, it's entertainment for everyone. The families can see. We have got a U certificate. I'm really proud to say today's time that we have a film which a kid can walk into a theater with a lollipop and watch it, alone. He doesn't need his parents for. I mean, of course, I'm glad
Why
that
is this child having a
glad-
lollipop?
that was just the image,
Like,
just the
explain-
image of
explain to me.
an innocent
Which child
innocent
needs
kid.
lollipop these days?
I love lollipops. I have to say.
Are you a
I also
child?
love lollipop.
In my head, I'm a child. But I have to ask you this, and this is to all of y'all. Did y'all do numerology and mathematics
Yes.
of numbers
They did.
Yeah,
for
we
the
are
release?
doing,
Yeah?
Yeah.
They did.
Really?
I
They did.
believe every number has a vibration in every alphabet. I have forced her to
So
do it.
you chose these numbers and all that?
Yeah. Yes.
So the Kundli for the film is working there.
It's. I hope so. Chalo. Like I said, ki it's also kismat pe bhi dhyan lag. You have to try your best. You have to try your best. You have to work your hardest. And sometimes just to be on the safer side, like any astrologer will tell you कि जो आपकी किस्मत में वो है, हम आपको उपाय नहीं बता सकते, पर हम आपको बता सकते कि ये सब हो रहा है. आप भगवान का नाम लो और vibrations ठीक रखो, सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
From the
Also,
lollipop question,
adding-
moving on.
Sir, adding to that
Once-
question only,
Acha. Oh.
adding to that question only, is it based on any real life incident or something like that?
What the film?
The story that a girl
No,
is
it's
lucky
actually
for the
Anuja
team.
Chauhan's book. She wrote this very successful book called The Zoya Factor. A lot of it is, some of it, she's also been a part of the scripting stage. She's been a part of this scripting from the beginning to the end, and to the part of the film as well. We've changed a few things from the book itself. So anybody who's a big fan of the book, the crux of it is the same, but a little bit of it is changed to be more cinematic. But it is Anuja Chauhan's Zoya Solanki and Nikhil Khoda.
And she said it in a recent interview that it's not like a autobiography, the book. It's more of her experiences, and she's taken nuances. But the book is fiction.
Fictional,
and
yeah.
so is the film.
Worked a lot on the Pepsi campaigns. She's an advertising, she has an advertising background. She worked on all the Pepsi campaigns and a lot with the cricketers.
Yeah,
So she
cricketers
kind of
as well.
merged those two and made like a fun tale with it. It's a very fun book.
Okay, we come to the middle now. Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah, extreme left.
आपके लेफ्ट में
हाँ जी.
सोनम आपके घर में और कौन है जो मतलब लक फैक्टर पे बिलीव करते हैं
मेरे जो पापा है वो बहुत ही मेहनती हैं, आपको पता है.
Right.
मैं भी मेहनती हूँ, पर वो एकदम मेहनत पे, he believes in working really really hard. मेरी जो मम्मी है, she is like any Indian mom in the house, and she believes in puja part and doing everything. And I think I've inherited that. My sister's it's really funny. My sister is an atheist, my brother's agnostic, and I'm a believer. So we have very very different point of views in the house.
लेकिन सोनम क्या अगर इस फिल्म के जरिए और एक एक्टर सेलेब के जरिए इस बात को मतलब जोड़ दिया जाए कि हाँ मैं मतलब लक में यकीन रखती
हाँ
हूँ,
जी.
इसका एक गलत इंप्रेशन नहीं जाएगा आम ऑडियंसेस में
I
या फिर
don't
fans
think,
में?
like I said, I
Yeah.
feel कि there is I believe a lot in destiny. Now, I don't know whether it's luck or not, but I believe in destiny. Ki why am I born in the family that I'm born in? Why is somebody else not born in the same family a different family? Why is it that I'm sitting here on stage and there are so many other girls who are not? Who might deserve it more, might deserve it less. I don't know. So I'm saying कि मैं किस्मत में बहुत believe करती हूँ, but at the same time I believe कि अगर you also get what you deserve because of your hard work. Eventually I believe in karma. Believe your life is like a bank balance. आप जितना डालते हो वो उतना eventually आप उसका आपको मिल जाता है. So whether it was I believe in past lives, I believe in Hinduism, so I believe in all of that. So I said eventually whatever happens because it's meant to happen and it is because of your karma, which can be hard work. So God only knows कि क्या गलत है, क्या सही है. It depends on each individual. So I don't think I think we inherently as Indians believe in the combination of the two.
सलमान
One sec,
दुलकर-
before we,
हाँ,
yeah,
एक सवाल दुलकर से था
Yes,
हाँ,
yeah.
yeah. दुलकर आप अपने एक दोस्त की फिल्म करने वाले हैं जो अपनी माँ के साथ पूरा वर्ल्ड टूर उन्होंने मतलब किया है शायद
No, that my friend is doing that film. It's something that it's based on real events, and it's still being fleshed out. I'm not part of it yet.
और एक सवाल बस पूजा से था पूजा आपके पास मतलब क्रिकेट पे तो काफी सारी फिल्में बन रही हैं बनती रही हैं हॉकी पे बस सूरमा आई है और ध्यानचंद की राइट